Welcome to Section 4 of our LinkedIn Marketing 3.0 video training. Additional tips to consider. In this section, we'll talk about do's and don'ts, premium tools and services to consider, shocking case studies, and frequently asked questions. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Do's and don'ts. As with any business venture that you decide to partake in, LinkedIn marketing and doing business on LinkedIn has its recommended practices and its things to avoid. Most marketers have to learn all of them the hard way, through trial and error. But we have created this video so you can get it right from the get-go. Do's. Do keep your profiles and company pages professional. Remember that both are crucial because they are designed to foster a community around your business, your products, and your services. And they're also the very first thing that people will find when they are looking for your brand. Do optimize your company pages for search engines. The company pages not only have to be tidy and professional looking, they also have to be functional. So remember to use your targeted keywords in the About section of your page, as this section is indexed by search engines. Do participate on LinkedIn groups and discussions. This will not only help you to engage with your audience, but it will also help you to learn what is being said about your brand, your niche, your products, services, and about your competition. Do make use of rich media to share your content. Professionals not only love it when relevant content is served through videos, presentations, and well-crafted articles, it also helps them to perceive the messenger as an authority in the subject matter. So make sure to create relevant content that is well presented. Do vary the type of content that you share with your business audience. People can easily gravitate towards other companies if you only talk about your business. So consider sharing other types of relevant content, such as industry news and links to other pages. Do keep your business invitation well thought out and professional. Nothing puts a prospective connection off like a dry invitational message. Forget about using the template invitation, and instead take your time and personalize the invitations that you send to professionals that you look forward to making your connections with on the platform. Do cross-promote through your LinkedIn profiles and company pages. There is a reason why the About section is in there, so you can easily share your up-to-date company links with the people that are most likely to click there. Do follow any other company in your industry with a LinkedIn profile or page. Remember that on LinkedIn, these other pages are not necessarily your competition, but potential prospects as well. Keeping up to date with other companies is a great way to know whom to collaborate with when the time comes. Do request other companies to link up with their current employees. This will not only increase your brand visibility, but it will also allow you to increase your business connections, which will in turn increase your opportunities of keeping up with future talent prospects. Do stay connected on a much more personal level by using the Relationships tab, which will allow you to set up personalized communications with your prospects. Remember that people are prone to become company champions when they receive personalized communication with a brand, which means that they will market your brand to others. Don'ts. Don't focus your LinkedIn marketing efforts on selling. Ever. LinkedIn is a platform where people go to establish professional connections, and any sales approach will immediately put them off. If you want to sell on LinkedIn, focus on offering value first. Don't join just any LinkedIn group just because you can. Doing this will not only detract your time and effort from where they should be focused on, it will also make your company look like a scam. Focus instead only on groups that are specific to your industry. Don't forget to be proactive. What happens after you join a group on LinkedIn? You become an authority, that's what. But you have to put in the effort by participating constantly in a natural way. This will do wonders for your marketing efforts, because people will gravitate to your brand thanks to its vocal, interactive nature. Don't forget about the human factor. A lot of companies fail miserably at communication because they forget to give a human touch to their online presence. Your interactions, your posts, your responses, and your participation have to feel like a real human is doing it. So remember to be natural and friendly. Don't be too complex. Many businesses confuse being smart with being complicated, and they end up populating the marketing materials with long, overtly scripted, and full of company jargon copy. Instead, focus on being concise and to the point. People will appreciate it. Don't forget about tracking your marketing performance. There is data out there that will easily tell you when you're doing well and when you need to improve. Stuff such as leads generated, successful connections, and strategic partnerships are great indicators of efficient LinkedIn marketing efforts. Don't spam on LinkedIn. Now, you might be used to the casual promotional sales message on other social networks, but even the smallest hint of a sale is considered spam on LinkedIn. Remember that here, you need to communicate that you care about people more than your product, not the other way around. Don't let your profiles and company pages sit still. Groups are not the only way to stay active, as profiles and company pages are excellent marketing tools, as long as you only use them to give relevant advice that can lead to a sale later on. Don't use LinkedIn to criticize other products or competing companies. Doing so simply looks unprofessional. On the other hand, mentioning bigger companies in a positive light can direct quality traffic from their pages to yours. Don't forget about nurturing your communications by always checking and replying to messages and comments left by LinkedIn members on your company pages. This seemingly simple action can be more effective than paid advertising in some instances. Welcome to Section 3 of our LinkedIn Marketing 3.0 video training, Marketing on LinkedIn, Step by Step. In this section, we'll talk about LinkedIn company pages, LinkedIn groups, advertise on LinkedIn, smart ways to get leads on LinkedIn, how to do affiliate marketing on LinkedIn, using the LinkedIn feed for market research, small business resources to help you get more out of LinkedIn, and going premium with LinkedIn. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. LinkedIn company pages. LinkedIn might be a pretty different social networking site targeted at a pretty specific audience and with a very specific set of features as well. But at its very core, it's still a social networking site nonetheless. This means that it still shares some social features with the rest of social networking sites. But because this is LinkedIn we are talking about, we can expect to see a significant spin on how these features are presented and on the way that they serve the platform's members, such as in the case with a feature called Company Pages, which is LinkedIn's version of social media fan pages. The company pages are designed beyond the scope of simply sharing what you like with others, and as such they work specifically to help you grow your company's presence on LinkedIn and in turn on the internet landscape overall. The good news is that getting started with company pages on LinkedIn is an easy, straightforward process packed with a lot of benefits for your business. It all starts with you creating a free company page on LinkedIn, and the only requirements is that you have a LinkedIn account and a valid email address so LinkedIn can verify that you are apt to create a company page for your business. Secondly, you'll have to customize your company profile to give it its proper professional look and feel. LinkedIn recommends you to start by giving your company page a cover image and a logo to bring it to life. The logo that you use on your company page will appear on search results when people search for your company, and will also appear on the profile of your employees for an improved corporate presence. Once your company page is ready, you will be ready to start attracting followers by adding links to promote your LinkedIn company page by linking it through your emails, blogs, websites, and through any other source and placement that you use to bring online traffic to your business. One of the ways offered by LinkedIn for you to link to your company page is in the form of company page follow buttons, which you can also use the same way that you would use your company page links. And you can easily install them on your preferred placements with the help of an easily to implement plugin. Company pages are also a great way to increase your potentially viral reach. This is because you can encourage employees as well as your business leadership colleagues to add your company page to their profiles, which will help you to get more likes, comments, and shares to expand your reach and the number of people in your audience. Company pages will also help you to post and share content, and everybody knows that posting daily company updates is one of the most effective ways to attract engaged followers. News, articles, and even think pieces can help you to stir up conversation with your followers, because each one of your company page updates will appear across your company network, including placements such as in the news feed and home pages of your company page followers. You can promote your company pages through sponsored content updates that will help you to widen your reach beyond your network. Also, your company page can be used to attract and build your employer brand when you upgrade it to a career page. Creating company pages is easy enough, as you would only need to go to the company page button at the bottom of the menu. Then, enter the name of your company in the company name field and a custom yet simple name to add at the end of your public link URL that people can use to identify your company page on search results. Check the verification box below to confirm that you are the rightful owner or individual appointed to manage your company page, and then click on Create Page. Once you are done with this, you will be ready to start customizing your company page on LinkedIn.